Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be going through the solutions to the problem that says unable to load directory results in Skype. Let's move on to the first solution, that is to grant access to the firewall. So in this step we'll be granting the application access in firewall. Simply click on the start menu and open the settings icon. Next up, click on the update security option. Then select this Windows security option from the left sidebar. Then move on to Windows security options and then select firewall and network protection. Then click allow an app through firewall. Then finally click on change settings so that it provides it administrative privileges. Then scroll down and make sure that the Skype is allowed to both private and public networks. Finally click OK, run the application, and it should solve the issue. Though still, if that doesn't solve the issue, then you can move on to the next solution, that is to delete the shared.xml file. What we have to do is we have to close all the instances of the Skype application. So to do that, we'll open the run dialog and press enter. So when the run dialog opens up, simply type %appdata %\Skype. It will open up the Skype application data folder, and now here delete the share.xml file. Now simply restart your computer, run Skype, and see if the problem still persists or not. So in case it still doesn't solve the issue, you can move on to the third step, that is to sign in again. Also simply click the menu option on the top right like this, then select sign out from the top down. Now sign back in with your credentials and the problem should be solved. So in case it still persists, then the solution 4 is here for you, that is to delete the cache. So to do that, simply close Skype and make sure that all of its instances are closed. In the Windows search bar, you can type run so that it opens up the run dialog. Enter %appdata% and then hit enter. Now here delete the Skype folder inside the application data folder that opens up. Now once again open up the run prompt and this time enter %temp%. This would open up the temporary folders on the PC. So now here we have to delete the folder named Skype. Now simply restart your computer and this should solve the issue. But still, if the problem is persisting, move on to the solution number 5, that is to reinstall the application, which very often solves a lot of issues that many applications or softwares would be having. So to reinstall the application, go to start, search for apps and then apps and features, and look for Skype and uninstall it like this. So now download the latest version from Microsoft Store and install it again, run the application, and hopefully this should solve the issues. So guys, I hope that your problem would have been solved, and make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.